Okay, we got this dirty piece of oak right here. It's been drying for the last couple years. It was standing dead, so it has extra checks in it, but we're gonna go ahead and shave this off, shave the other end off, get all this nasty end out so that we can slice it and run it through the mill and make a nice board, get rid of this live edge, and get it inside. Now we got the slab up on the mill. We got it up on the mill. We're gonna slice it off, slice the other side, tighten this blade down, and keep moving this piece forward. This is my G1033X grizzly planer, and we have this piece of oak, so we're gonna go ahead and plane this off. This takes 3-phase power, which is plugged in right over there, so we're gonna turn that on and get this planed off and call it good and go on to the next project. There's a nice chunk of wood to sell, a lot better than just buying individual 1x4s and whatnot. This gives you a lot more flexibility. If you want to make a square table, another square table, you can make nice 4 square end tables with this. Here's those checks, so that degrades the wood, the value. Other than that, nice solid piece of wood.